So with the meetings given by the panel members, your study entitled Organoleptic and Acceptability Testing of Fish Chips from Silkmouth Fish, Rubnatos, Iculus, enriched with carrots by Merjoyes Gonzaga, Mian Burchano, G. Umar, and Jenny Sotor. That your study has been successfully defended with up to present this again with the objectives and also.
Yes.